Welcome, hero. I'm pleased that you followed up my master's invitation. Through your adventures, you have proved yourself in many different ways to my master. Allow me to give you a little tour. Stormfist Castle got its name from the dwarf who first explored this. Did you know that in the Age of Chaos, the wicked Lord of Chaos and his horde of demons tried to destroy Stormfist Castle? Oh, yes. Reuben Farrell was a man of knowledge and intelligence. O Divine One and Savior of the Seven Races, may I present...
Ah, the new Lord Protector has finally... Silence, you fool. The Divine One has not given you permission. I said...
My dear Alona, do calm down. My sweet Layla is sleeping next door, and she doesn't want to be disturbed by...
Please excuse me, O Divine One. I shall...
I've heard a lot about you, my friend. You're a hero, in fact. The bards in Rivertown are already singing songs about you. I can't be plainer than I have been, my friend. From this time forth, you will be my Lord Protector. You'll stay at my side. Ho ho! I don't think you understand the gravity of the situation, my friend. From this moment on, your previous life is at an end. Forget it and settle to your new role.
Be thankful that Janus, the Divine One, has chosen you to be his personal bodyguard, dolt. Sacrilege! Have you never heard of the prophecy of Reuben Farrell?
Thank you, my dear Alona. It is indeed my destiny to change the face of this sad world. Say it. Go about your duty.
At once, my lord.
And my new Lord Protector. Come see me in 5 minutes.
door is locked tighter than a dwarf's ale purse. The door's locked.
Ah, Ambassador Bronthian. We appreciate your visit.
Greetings, Ambassador.
It is a great honor to meet you, Milord Duke. King...
Thank you.
As you must have heard, sire, a band of vagabond dwarves have defiled the elven burial grounds in the Dark Forest. These be...
Yes.
It is the entire truth, sire.
My dear Ambassador, is the recovery of a simple book written by a tired,
How dare you to depreciate the right...
Ambassador Bronthian.
Listen, elf. We humans have an ancient...
Shaloi, you will support grave...
I cannot remain neutral on this issue. The dwarves helped the human race to
By the gods! You're either a fool or a monster, Janice. Your word...
Well, that wasn't a very diplomatic move, Your Highness.
Not to worry. Things went just as I hoped they would. I'm not able to use that. Sorry, I can't use that. I can't use that. I'm not able to use that. I'm overloaded. I'll have to drop something. I'm overloaded. I'll have to drop something.
standing.
I'm overloaded. I'll have to drop something. 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 I'm overloaded. I'll have to drop something.
In the name of the Merchants Guild, I wish to give thanks to Duke Janus, whom many believe is the Divine One spoken.
And let me assure you...
Before we start the formal meeting, I would like to introduce my fellow merchants.
Please be quick about it, man. My precious Layla is waiting next door for me.
O Divine One, allow me to present to you the worthy...
My dear Trevor, I must intervene.
As you wish, O Divine One. We came to Stormfist Castle to support the war effort. We've heard that you are planning...
You have heard correctly, and I appreciate your offer. I want to finish...
Oh, Divine One, be assured that we will contribute fully to the war effort in return for the...
Yes, my administration will sign the contracts later.
Thank you, my Divine One. As you have heard, Janus is satisfied with your financial efforts, but that is still not enough. There are regions in Rivellon where the benighted people do not know.
I will speak of Lord Janus in my rest day sermon, Lady Ilona. The time...
The prophecy is fulfilled indeed. Consider, the great Reuben Ferrell...
How true, Lady Ilona. You are clearly the wise guide of the prophecy, and the hero of Eleroth is the Divine One's Lord Protector.
Exactly, Sir Patrick. The prophecy is shown to be completely true. It promises that in times of...
I give you my most holy word, my children. Before the...
Hail to Duke Janus, the Divine One. Hail to Duke Janus, the Divine...
What's all that noise coming from?
Yes! Who dares?
There is...
Ah!
have failed to protect the Divine One. Duke Janus had to raise his holy hand to defend himself.
I say slay this inept.
My dear Father Theophilus, those are brutal sentiments for a man of...
So, what do you...
The most terrifying thing for a would-be hero is the risk of losing their reputation. I'll
Follow us, miscreant. And don't even think about nicking anything on them. Get out of here! Go on!